our dealer rack. This is part of our Delta Pro series or DP series. This dealer rack is designed for window dealers and window manufacturers in a way to keep organized with windows, screens, and doors. Now that we've assembled the DP dealer window rack, let's talk about some of the features and benefits of it. First off, unlike our other racks, we're having a direct access for product. We've designed this to have a gap of 3 3/4 inches. That way, most all vinyl windows, screens, everything should be able to fit in here without a problem. What's important here is the slotted areas. This will keep you organized in a workshop. It'll keep you organized in a dealer location. And just like all of our Delta racks, this rack can be picked up from all 4 sides with the tow motor or forklift to keep it in a fixed position or loaded. We're putting in the optional wheel boards. We're using 4 swivel wheels that have locks and brakes so you can secure your rack and load it up, or simply release the brake and you'll have full access to move it around the shop. These wheel bars are simply placed in between the uprights with a dowel holding them in position. That's great for a loaded rack. You can use it in the shop, and then you can simply lift the rack up and the wheels will kick out. Or if you want to keep them fixed, you can drive a screw directly into the wheel board. Thank you for watching the assembly video on our DP dealer rack from DeltaRack. As you can see, this is a specific application for window dealers and window manufacturers to keep your shop organized. You can see this and all of our other products by visiting DeltaRackUSA.com.